Beyond being able to just see better, having custom lens replacement has improved my life pretty much in every aspect. I'm confident to move about now without worrying about whether my glasses are going to break or I'm not going to have them handy. It just gives you a sense of freedom and control over your life that you don't have when you're very, very dependent on your glasses. Basically, my life has changed. I've been wearing glasses since I was 5 years old, and everything I did, I had to have my glasses on my face. And as I got older, that got worse and worse. So once I was free from glasses at the age of 65, so for 60 years, I have depended on corrective lenses. Once I got my custom lens replacement, I just get up and go. And every single thing about my life has become easier because I'm not always thinking about my vision. Street signs were becoming a big problem. Even with my glasses on, I'd have to get pretty close to, for instance, the exit sign to really be able to read what it said, even with my glasses on. After surgery, all of it's crystal clear. From a distance, I can see everything. So everything's gotten better and easier. The moment I realized how clear my vision was becoming was after surgery on one eye. When I looked at the paint on my home walls, I could see out of my new good eye a light purple. But when I closed my good eye and looked out of my bad eye, I saw gray-green, which is the color I actually wanted. So now I'm facing repainting my whole house because my vision is now so clear and crisp and colors are popping. Australia, New Zealand was our first trip after I had my custom lens replacement, and it was phenomenal. I did not have to pack extra glasses in case my glasses broke. When I was shopping, I could come in and out of shops without constantly switching between sunglasses and regular glasses. When we went on the Great Barrier Reef diving, I did not need to have my custom snorkel mask with me. I just used whatever mask was available. And it was just the comfort in knowing that no matter where I went, I was just going to be able to see all the beautiful things in Australia, New Zealand. It was really fantastic. The biggest change I've noticed to my daily life after my surgery is just the ability to function every minute of the day without worrying about where my glasses are or whether I will be able to see things. So it makes the day so much easier. I get up, I open my eyes, and I'm ready to start the day. I would definitely recommend custom lens replacement to family and friends. And I have been telling everybody I know, don't wait, get it done. It will literally change your life. Dr. Brooks was my chosen doctor. I looked at several doctors in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and I came right back to this office. Why? Because they are efficient, they are friendly, and they take you through every step explaining everything that's going to happen, and they exceeded my expectations. I would not choose anyone else but Dr. Brooks in this area.